Custom event fields in the PhotoBooth operator allows you to create custom fields which are presented when you do the add or edit event screen in response to our customer request for the ability to have fields and information that are not generally available in the PhotoBooth operator. These would be fields that would be unique to an individual's particular business and may come in a variety of formats. When you click on the custom fields, it shows you your current custom fields by name, what type they are, and then your options of view, edit, and delete. Let's go ahead and create a new one so we can see what that looks like. When creating a custom field, you do have to give it some kind of a name, some kind of a descriptive name. And when you give it this name is what is going to show up on your add, edit, event screen. So the name could be something such as a question or something descriptive. We're going to call this a test field. You can provide a description if you'd like, and then you must decide which type of field that you're going to have. And you have three options available. It could be a yes/no field. It could be a drop-down, where there are several different items to select and you choose the correct one. Or it can be a simple text input, where you go ahead and type the correct value. Whichever one of these checkboxes has the little dot in it indicates the type. And then the values below are based on the different types. And we're going to go ahead and look at these. So if it's a yes/no, then you need to set the default value as either yes or no. If it is a drop-down, then we have to build a tree that shows the different options for our drop-down. And we can select a default value if we'd like. So for instance, we're going to go ahead and add our fields. This will be field 1. And you see the PhotoBooth operator now adds that to the value tree on the right here, including the option to delete or remove that field value. There's field 2. We're going to go ahead and fill this up just so we can see the other options that are available to us. Oop. And if you don't enter a name, obviously you get a warning. So now we have our 4 fields on the right, and you can see that new options have presented themselves, little up and down arrows. We can alter the order of our fields if we'd like. So if field 4 was supposed to be above field 3, we click up and it changes the order. And we can just as easily send it back down. Our default value is here on the left, so if we wanted the PhotoBooth operator to automatically give it a value each time that the add a new event loads, once you edit it, it will of course be the value that you've set it. Then you can select that here. Many businesses have a value that is the most common, say 90% of the time. So if you set it to default, it saves you having to go ahead and add that value each and every time, or select it in this case. Text input field, default value is some text, whatever you'd like, just text. It's entirely up to you, and that will populate. If you leave it blank, then it will be empty, and you can go ahead and enter it whatever you'd want. So just because we spent some time with our fields, we're going to go ahead and make this test field a drop down those fields. Once everything is set, you click Add Custom Field, and it shows up. We're going to go ahead and go over to the Add Event so we can see what that looks like on that screen real quick. And in the custom fields, you see there is our test field with the different drop-down options available to you.